It's estimated that humans make 35,000 decisions per day. As we know it, decisions have consequences, both positive and negative. Mindfulness enhances our ability to decipher between subjectivity and objectivity. The practice helps us become more intentional with our choices and therefore our decisions. But it takes patience, discipline, and commitment. Our ability to make a decision is often influenced by external sources of distraction. Throughout this session, I'll present various auditory stimuli designed to distract you from the present moment. Each time you hear a stimulus, acknowledge it without judgment, reactivity, or even a label. Then refocus your attention on your anchor. To start, let's settle into a nice, relaxed position. And bring your awareness to your environment. Sights, sounds, temperature of the room. Now draw your attention into your body, noticing how your body feels physically. Focus on your respiration and observe the rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. Gently inhale through your nose, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, hold, and slowly exhale. Continue with the rhythm and pace of your own respiration cycles. Allow your respiration to return to its natural rate, and let's rest quietly. Refocus if you're distracted. Inhale, pause, and slowly exhale.
Hello?
Release your focus from respiration back into your body and return to your environment. Please share my content with your network and subscribe to learn more about human performance optimization. As a human, you're a performer. Thank you for joining the mission.